What's up my ponios? Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to share with you guys this content here. This is a full enclosure case here with 9H tempered glass, which is really nice to be able to place on your phone. What's also great here is it does have a camera protection. With that said, the folks at Humixx did sponsor this video and provide this to me complimentary. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability if you guys want to check that out. I really like this one. Let's jump into it. Unboxing is super straightforward, and what's nice here is that you don't need to worry about a screen protector as it does provide you that scratch resistance. The 9H material is tempered glass, which is awesome, and this is just an all-around solid case here to be able to have. Out of the box here, as you can see, you've got the case, you've got a little wrist strap, and then built into the case itself is the protection over the lens, which is really nice. Right out of the box here, as you can see, it's kind of a clamshell case style here. You've got the back side here, which will clip into the front side, which is nice. Let's go ahead and show you what you're getting yourself into. As you can see, peeling back the screen, it is a plastic membrane to be able to provide you that scratch resistance here, which is really, really nice to have while still being able to have the touch through the screen, which is cool. As you can see, it does add an extra bezel here, probably a 1/16 of an inch, but that's going to provide you a robust ergonomic feel, as well as provide you additional protection here as it does protect your phone, which is awesome. It looks like here it's tooled with great complexity, so it does insulate and trap air in there to be able to give you that military grade drop protection. Now before you start here, you want to make sure that you don't have anything on the screen. You want to take off any other third parties that you've got here, and then you can go ahead and wipe it off with the microfiber that it comes with. We're going to go ahead and place it face down here, first with the bottom piece, and then we're going to snap it right in. It's going to have you can see some bumpers here that provide nice insulation here. You've got this interesting little cover here that does provide you that protection and dust and water resistance, volume rocker, as well as the power button. I/O here is closed off, which is cool, which will show you once we snap it in. Other than that, it's got a really nice build, ergonomic feel, and it doesn't seem like it's too heavy in the hand. Let's go ahead now and take off the back piece. I'm going to peel it off. You want to have a nice adhesion on the front and back so that you don't have bubbles. Let's go ahead and snap it on here. Again, we're going to go from the bottom, press it in there so you get a nice adhesion to it. It creates a seamless border here, but if you needed to, you can go ahead and fit your fingernail in there and peel it off right there. But all the way around the edges, you can see that it is protected, which is really nice. It provides you that full enclosure, shock protection, and even protection on the lens there. I really like that. You still have access to Magsafe here if that's something that you're interested in. You can throw a power bank. It does still charge, which is nice, but it doesn't necessarily give you, the sticky magnetic adhesion, so you gotta be cognizant of that. You can still place it on one of these like 3-in-1 devices here if you wanted to charge your Apple Watch or your AirPods, but having something like this unit here is probably a no-go if you want to do content creation here. It's not necessarily gonna stick. Last but not least, you got this cool accessory that it came with, this wrist strap here to be able to add extra protection here, but in the hand there, it just looks fantastic. I love that. You can go ahead here and press this button to go ahead and unlock the USB Type-C. To fully enclose the phone here and make it waterproof, you can see that it's got these really cool little features. If you go ahead and flip this little tab right here, this will shut off the mics and everything else and make it waterproof. And then obviously if you shut this will close it off as well. If you wanted to have, calling and have your speaker, you just flip it back, and then you want to have access to the I/O, you can, open it up just like that. So with that said here, once you've closed this off, it is fully waterproof, which is really nice. You can go ahead and dunk this in water if you're interested. With that said, my ponios, I think this is an awesome case here to be able to have if you're going on a trip, if you're going on a cruise and you want to have something that can go around your neck, if you want a lanyard or have it on your wrist, you have the option here. If you're going to be scuba diving, if you want to take some pictures underwater, this is really great to be able to have as it does provide you that waterproofing. IPX rated. With that said, you lose some MagSafe capability, but other than that, I think this is a really cool build to be able to still show off your really nice phone while still having full functionality of it here on the front. With that said, the folks at Humixx did provide this to me complimentary. They sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability for everything that we showed you, including the product. With that said here, thanks for watching and subscribe to Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Bye.